soon as I finish up here tonight.
I got some brews. In Berlin. Sorry. School. In a Mac or a Dell? That was a really lame one.
How you organize your ember? Oh, that's cool. I missed that one.
I'm always.
Do you have another one?
I can't. It just happens magically. I kind of was abetting. Sorry. Oh.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zappa. I'm very pleased to be here on behalf of the administration. It's people like Mr. Frank Zappa that kept the Senate from being able to send arms to the Democratic freedom fighters in Nicaragua. And Margaret Boyd and Carmen Delacorte, despite his foray, did some help to back some